Twin City Fan Company's state-of-the-art laboratory is one of the finest in the world. Here we use the laboratory to design and qualify our fans for R&D and new product development, and also for customer witness testing to meet specifications. The laboratory has multiple tools and instrumentation to cater to the needs of our customers. Aerodynamic efficiency of fans is one of the most important characteristics that is required in the fan industry. The US Department of Energy is starting to regulate fans' efficiency. So it is very important that we get ready to meet the challenges of the future. So in order to establish the aerodynamic efficiency, we typically do aerodynamic performance testing, and that is done in test chambers. And we can test in 3 different test chambers from a range of flows and pressures and power requirements. We can establish and rate our product lines to determine the efficiency. The Association of Fan Manufacturers is AMCA, Air Moving and Control Association, and AMCA Standard 210 is the most popular standard to test fans for efficiency. The first type is AMCA Figure 12, where fans are tested in a blow-through configuration. AMCA Figure 15 is tested in a draw-through configuration. So with these 2 different types of tests, we satisfy 2 major objectives. Number 1, we use it for R&D product development, which includes the design, qualification, and performance ratings of our fans. And secondly, we use it for customer witness testing, where we meet customers' specifications. In order to establish the environmental conditions or the density of the air that is going into the fan, we have to measure the dry bulb temperature, the wet bulb temperature, and the barometric pressure of the air that is going into the fan. So by establishing the density under actual test conditions, the performance of our fan can be determined at different densities. So by doing a test in the laboratory and by measuring the density of the air going into the fan, we can pretty much determine the performance of the fan at any part of the world. When we have situations where our customers' specifications demand the fan that they bought to be actually tested, then we move on to our manufacturing facilities. Once we are in our manufacturing facility, the test procedures are exactly the same as the laboratory, except that they are done to meet the specifications of the customer as opposed to research and development type testing. Sometimes our customer specifications require that the fans be tested in their actual application, whether it's a power plant or whether it's a mall. So we do that with our sophisticated tools and data acquisition systems in the actual application of our customer. Twin City Fan Companies satisfies 2 objectives. Number 1, we meet the need of our customers, be it in the laboratory or in the manufacturing facility or in the actual application for our customers, so that the exacting specifications could be satisfied. Secondly, we also use our laboratory for product development, design, and qualification, where extensive research work is done to bring out the best products with the best efficiencies in the industry.